Creating a meditation room in your home is about crafting a peaceful retreat where you can disconnect from daily stress and rejuvenate your mind and body. Meditation rooms are gaining popularity because they allow people to dedicate a special space for mindfulness, relaxation, and reflection. A well-designed meditation room can enhance the practice, offering a calming atmosphere conducive to meditation and inner peace. The space should reflect your personal style, while incorporating elements that foster tranquility and comfort. Whether you prefer a minimalist or more traditional style, the focus should always be on creating an environment that helps you reach a state of relaxation and mental clarity. Meditation spaces can vary significantly depending on your preferences and available space. Some may prefer a simple corner with a cushion and a few candles, while others might want a more elaborate setup with plants, fountains, and calming wall art. The key is to keep the space personal and to include only what truly makes you feel at peace. In the following sections, we will explore 4 essential elements of meditation room design to guide you in creating your own serene sanctuary. These include minimalist setups, nature-inspired themes, sensory enhancements, and multifunctional meditation spaces. Incorporating a minimalist design into your meditation room is an excellent way to eliminate distractions and create a calming environment. Minimalism focuses on simplicity, removing clutter, and keeping only the essentials. A minimalist meditation room design encourages clear thinking and reflection, offering a pure, unencumbered space for mindfulness. The foundation of a minimalist meditation room begins with neutral colors, such as whites, soft grays, or earth tones, which create a peaceful atmosphere. The room should be devoid of unnecessary furniture or decor. Typically, a comfortable meditation cushion or mat is placed in the center of the room as the focal point. The absence of excessive items reduces visual noise, allowing your mind to settle more easily into a calm state. Lighting is another key aspect in a minimalist meditation room. Natural light is ideal, as it provides a sense of openness and connection with the outside world. If natural light is limited, soft, diffused lighting from candles or soft lamps can help maintain a serene atmosphere. A simple candle or 2 may be all you need to create a soothing environment. Adding plants, such as a single potted bamboo or a few small succulents, can introduce a touch of nature without overwhelming the simplicity of the design. These plants help bring life and a grounding energy to the space while maintaining its simplicity. Decorative elements should be minimal and meaningful. Perhaps a small altar or a piece of calming artwork can be placed within the space. The goal is to ensure that whatever is included in the room adds to the peaceful energy, rather than distracting from it. Mirrors are another useful design tool in minimalist meditation spaces, as they can open up the room, making it feel larger and more expansive. Additionally, mirrors reflect light, which can help create a sense of balance and harmony in the space. If these meditation room ideas helped you find some inner peace and inspiration, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to create their own tranquil space. Bringing nature into your meditation room design can deepen your connection to the earth and foster a sense of calm and grounding. A nature-inspired meditation room taps into the soothing properties of natural elements, offering a sanctuary that feels harmonious and rejuvenating. The color palette of a nature-inspired meditation room typically revolves around greens, browns, and blues, mimicking the hues found in the natural world. These colors are proven to reduce stress and create a calming effect. Incorporating plants is one of the easiest ways to bring nature indoors. Large potted plants or small indoor trees, like ferns or fiddle leaf figs, can create an instant connection to the outdoors. If space allows, adding a small indoor fountain or water feature can enhance the tranquil atmosphere with the sound of running water, which is often associated with calmness and meditation. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo are ideal for furniture and decor. A wooden bench or bamboo screen can serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. Stone statues or crystals can be used as focal points, symbolizing strength and grounding. You may also want to consider using natural fiber rugs or floor mats, which feel soft underfoot and add a sense of warmth to the space. Incorporating natural scents, such as essential oils like lavender, sandalwood, or eucalyptus, can also enhance the sensory experience of your meditation practice. Whether through an essential oil diffuser or incense, these natural scents have calming effects and can help to elevate the peaceful energy in the room. Windows that open to a view of nature, or the sound of birds outside, are ideal for a nature-inspired meditation room. The goal is to create a space that feels as if it's connected to the natural world, offering you a peaceful retreat from modern life. What's your must-have element in a meditation room? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to design your perfect space for relaxation. Sensory elements play a crucial role in enhancing the meditation experience, as they engage your senses and deepen your focus during practice. Designing a meditation room with sensory enhancements can elevate your mindfulness sessions and make the space more immersive. Sound is one of the most impactful sensory elements. Many meditation rooms incorporate sound therapy through instruments such as singing bowls, chimes, or wind bells, which emit soothing tones that help to calm the mind. Adding a sound system to play soft, ambient music or nature sounds, such as rain or ocean waves, can further enhance the tranquility of the room. In addition to sound, scent is a powerful tool for creating a calming atmosphere. Essential oils, incense, or scented candles can introduce soothing fragrances into the room. Lavender, jasmine, and chamomile are known for their relaxing properties, while sandalwood and frankincense can add a spiritual dimension to the space. A small essential oil diffuser can keep the scent circulating and subtly enhance the room's mood throughout the day. Textural elements also contribute to the sensory experience. Soft cushions, plush throws, and natural fiber mats create a tactile connection with the space, grounding your body in comfort. Sensory meditation can also include temperature adjustments. Perhaps a small fan or heater can be included to maintain a temperature conducive to relaxation. The goal is to curate an environment that speaks to all your senses, helping to deepen your meditation practice by making the space more engaging and soothing. For more tips on creating peaceful, inspiring spaces in your home, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest ideas. Many people seek multifunctional spaces, especially when living in homes with limited room. A multifunctional meditation room allows you to incorporate your mindfulness practice into an area that can serve multiple purposes without losing its calming energy. One approach is to combine a yoga or exercise space with your meditation room. Yoga mats, along with simple equipment like blocks or a bolster, can be stored neatly in a corner, leaving the room open and uncluttered when used for meditation. This type of setup works well if you alternate between meditation and yoga, allowing the space to flow seamlessly between both activities. Another option is to create a meditation nook in a room that already serves another purpose, such as a bedroom or home office. Partitioning off a small section of the room with a folding screen, curtain, or bookshelf can help carve out a quiet space for meditation without requiring a separate room. Built-in shelving or small storage solutions can keep meditation tools, such as cushions, candles, or sound bowls, within easy reach without overcrowding the space. For those with a large family or shared living arrangements, creating a flexible meditation area can be key to maintaining privacy and tranquility. Consider a space that can be temporarily transformed, such as a living room or guest room, where furniture can be easily moved to create a meditation zone. Portable design elements, such as foldable floor cushions or collapsible screens, make it easy to change the function of the room without compromising its style or practicality. Looking for more ways to enhance your home environment? Check out our Wellness Room playlist for additional ideas to bring calm and relaxation into your. Designing a meditation room is a personal journey, and the most important aspect is how the space makes you feel. Love the elements featured in today's meditation room ideas? Check the description below for links to the products used, so you can start building your own peaceful retreat. Whether you choose a minimalist approach, a nature-inspired theme, or a more sensory-focused design, the ultimate goal is to create a space that fosters peace, mindfulness, and inner calm. A well-thought-out meditation room can become your sanctuary, a place where you can retreat from the busyness of life to reconnect with yourself. By focusing on your unique needs and preferences, you can create a space that enhances your meditation practice and promotes long-term well-being.